Hello dear students, welcome back to solid state topic. In previous video, you learned about crystal lattices, unit cells and Bravais lattices. Okay, the unit cell is what? The smallest portion of a crystal lattice is called unit cell. Then in this video, you learn about the types of unit cells. There are two types of unit cells, primitive and the centered unit cells. In case of primitive unit cells, when particles in unit cells are present only at the corners, it is called the primitive unit cells, or it is simply called as simple unit cell. Then centered unit cells, when particles are present at other positions in addition to those at the corners in a unit cell, is called as centered unit cells. There are three types of the centered unit cells. Those are body-centered unit cells, face-centered unit cells and end-centered unit cells. Among these, the main important here the given below, simple or the primitive unit cells. In case of simple or the primitive unit cells, here all the constituent particles or atoms at the each corner of the cube, means 8 corner of the cube. Then in case of the body-centered unit cell, if one constituent particle lies at the center of the body of a unit, in addition to the 8 particles lying at the 8 corner of the cube, is called the body-centered unit cell. In case of face-centered unit cells, if one constituent particle lies at the center of each faces besides the particles they lying at the corners, it is known as the face-centered unit cells. See here given below, the 8 points are at the 8 corner of the cube called the primitive unit cells. Then 8 at the corner and 1 present at the center of the body of a unit cell. And in FCC, all the constituent particles lie at the each corner, means 8 corner of the cube, and 6 particles are present at the 6 faces of the cube. Consider these particles are in the form of atoms. Atoms are here they considered as a solid spheres. Then this is of simple cubic, this is body centered, and this one is face centered unit cells. Okay, let us learn about the coordination numbers. The coordination number of a central atom is defined as what? The coordination number of a central atom in a crystal is a number of its nearest neighbors, called the coordination number. See students, in case of simple cubic crystal lattice, the coordination number is equal to 6. Consider here the central atom, it consisting of the nearby 6 atoms. So the coordination number is 6. See here the given unit cells, the central atom that can be consisting of 6 neighbors. So the coordination number in simple cube is 6. Then in BCC, the coordination number is equal to 8 because the 1 is present at the center of the body. It is surrounded by 4 above and the 4 below of the cube. So it is called the BCC unit cells. Here in the center atom consisting of the 4 atoms at the above and 4 at the below. So the coordination number is 8 in BCC. Then come to the point of FCC, face centered cubic crystals. In case all the 8 atoms present at the 8 corner of the cube and 6 atoms present at the each faces of the cube. So here the 8 and 4, the central atom that can be surrounded by the total 12 atoms. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12 here. So here the 4